Welcome to the Passport Chronicles, where we embark on global adventures, one stamp at a time. Grab your passports and join us as we reveal our 10 best tips for traveling to Antarctica in 15 minutes or less. No exceptions. We have a lot to unpack, so before we begin with our ultimate cheat sheet for traveling to Antarctica, support the channel by subscribing to the Passport Chronicles. Don't forget to like this video and hit the bell button to get notified whenever we post new videos. Known as the White Continent, Antarctica exudes an irresistible allure, captivating the imagination with its vast, icy landscapes, towering glaciers, and ethereal beauty. Far removed from the bustling cities and inhabited lands, Antarctica is a bastion of natural wonders, from colossal icebergs defying imagination to thriving wildlife colonies in this icy wilderness. A lot is yet to be discovered in this frozen continent, with its obscurity deemed intimidating to some. But don't fret, as we'll go over 10 of the most important things to remember to prepare you better if you consider plunging into the icy abyss of Antarctica. From the basics like budget expectations, appropriate apparel, and accommodations to knowing about Antarctica's strict wildlife guidelines and environmental protection rules, it sounds like a lot. But trust us, it's not that complicated, so just sit back and keep on watching as we prepare you for a truly magical experience. Number 10. Research reputable tour operators. When traveling to Antarctica, there are several options to consider. Visitors can join a cruise, hop on a flight, or a combination of both, offering a unique experience with varying levels of accessibility. The most common and popular way is taking a cruise ship from South America, departing from Ushuaia, Argentina, or Punta Arenas, Chile, two of the most popular vantage points. These cruises offer the opportunity to navigate the legendary Drake Passage and explore the wonders of the Antarctic Peninsula. This option allows travelers to enjoy the journey across the Southern Ocean, taking in the vastness of the sea and potentially spotting wildlife along the way. When choosing a tour agency, watch for reputable companies that follow sustainable tourism practices. Number 9. Consider regulated flights. Alternatively, for those wanting to avoid the rough seas of the Drake Passage, travelers may opt for the faster flying and cruise approach. Here, regulated flights are offered from Punta Arenas to King George Island, cutting travel time significantly while allowing more time for exploration. Although these are provided in moderation to limit tourism on the continent. Additionally, for those with a keen interest in the scientific aspects of Antarctica, some research stations in Antarctica welcome visitors, providing a chance to learn about ongoing scientific work and interact with researchers, offering a unique perspective on life in this remote and extreme environment. Occasionally, specialized flights offer sightseeing trips over Antarctica from Australia, New Zealand, or South America. Number 8. Identify budget expectations. By now, you might have guessed that traveling to the Great White South isn't the most budget-friendly, as it comes with a significant financial commitment. It's essential to consider additional expenses, such as international flights, travel insurance, appropriate cold gear and apparel, any optional activities, and personal fees. Budget expectations for a trip to Antarctica can vary, depending on the journey duration, accommodation type, and the level of luxury desired, with cruises roughly ranging from around $6,000 to $15,000 or more per person for a 10 to 20-day voyage, with luxury cruises with added amenities and services costing considerably more. But all is not lost if you'll put in a little bit of elbow grease. Visitors can score last-minute Antarctica deals and get up to 50% off or more on cruise prices by scouring the internet, directly contacting cruise operators, heading over to Ushuaia, and doing the rounds of all the tour agencies. Although these are not always guaranteed and dependable, they're always worth a shot, as you might be lucky. Number 7. Have a valid passport and secure the necessary visa requirements. Due to the continent's unique and protected status, serving as a home for many animal species, traveling to Antarctica typically requires permits and documentation. Aside from this, visitors must have a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity remaining before the planned departure date, serving as a precautionary measure to avoid any issues during the trip. Regarding visas and the necessary permits, this should be handled by your chosen tour operators or research expeditions. Always make sure to coordinate with your tour agents, as well as the embassy or consulate of your home country. Number 6. Prepare appropriate gear and apparel. Layering is vital for maintaining body heat in Antarctica's extreme cold weather conditions, with essential pieces of clothing including thermal base layers, fleece or down jackets, waterproof and windproof outer layers, insulated pants, warm hats, gloves, and high-quality insulated boots suitable for cold and wet conditions. Pack a backpack, a refillable water bottle, and a camera with extra batteries and memory cards. Don't forget to include sunglasses, a high SPF sunscreen, lip balm, and necessary medications and supplies, as services and facilities in Antarctica are limited. Number 5. Have good health and obtain comprehensive travel insurance. A comprehensive health checkup ensures you are physically and mentally in shape for the trip, as traveling to Antarctica is no joke. Antarctica's freezing temperatures, harsh weather conditions, and limited medical facilities make it essential to ensure you are in good health and adequately prepared for the journey. Comprehensive travel insurance provides essential coverage for unforeseen circumstances like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or evacuation from Antarctica during unexpected events. When choosing travel insurance, carefully review the policy coverage, exclusions, and any specific requirements related to Antarctica. Selecting a comprehensive plan that suits your needs and provides adequate coverage for the unique challenges of traveling to the continent is essential. Number 4. Follow Antarctica's strict guidelines and regulations. Adherence to strict guidelines and regulations is paramount, no matter the destination. Antarctica implements these to protect the fragile ecosystem, maintain environmental cleanliness, and respect research activities. Travelers should maintain a safe distance from wildlife, avoiding sudden or threatening movement not to startle the polar creatures. Leave no trace principles must be consistently followed, as waste management practices are vital to prevent pollution in this pristine environment. Furthermore, visiting research stations requires respect for ongoing scientific work. Travelers should stay on designated paths, avoid entering restricted areas, and comply with any instructions provided by station staff. Number 3. Keep updated on weather conditions and consider potential itinerary delays. Traveling to Antarctica is akin to playing the Wheel of Fortune. You'll never know what you'll get. The continent is infamous for its unpredictable weather patterns, including strong winds, heavy snowfall, and sudden temperature drops. Unfavorable weather can lead to itinerary changes, delays, or even cancellations of planned activities, which none of us wishes. Keeping informed about weather conditions is crucial for personal safety and the trip's success. By staying updated, travelers can prepare appropriately with the proper clothing and gear, adjust their expectations, and be ready for any potential changes to their travel plans, which leads us to the next point. Number 2. Have an open mind. Travelers to Antarctica should always keep an open mind to embrace and appreciate the unique experience it fully offers. As mentioned, anything can and will happen regarding the continent's unpredictable weather conditions. Itineraries may change and wildlife encounters may vary. By maintaining an open mind, travelers can fully appreciate the beauty and wonder of the continent, even if it means experiencing different activities or exploring alternative sites than initially planned. Embracing the unknown allows for a deeper connection with the environment, wildlife, and the overall experience, opening doors to unexpected discoveries, new perspectives, and personal growth. Lastly, and most importantly, number 1, have fun. After months or even years of preparation, finally setting foot on the frozen continent of Antarctica is a surreal experience. The joy of encountering playful penguins and graceful seals is incomparable through the breathtaking white landscape. Trekking across icy terrains and exploring ancient ice caves brings a sense of adventure and wonder. Amidst all the mesmerizing beauty, shared laughter and camaraderie with fellow travelers create cherished memories. As the journey unfolds, the thrill of kayaking among colossal ice formations amplifies the fun. The Antarctica trip is an unforgettable voyage of discovery and pure delight. So have fun, you're in Antarctica. Not everyone can say that. In conclusion, travelers visiting Antarctica should remember to embrace the journey, let go of any expectations, and simply have fun. While it's essential to be prepared, follow guidelines, and prioritize safety, it's equally vital to fully immerse yourself in the incredible once-in-a-lifetime experience that only a few can witness. Leave any worries and plunge into the adventure. You can create memories that will last a lifetime. The journey to Antarctica is rare, so make the most of it, cherish every moment, and return home with a heart full of unforgettable experiences. Laugh, explore, and be filled with wonder when you step foot on the polar continent. We value your input. Leave a comment below and let us know what destinations, experiences, or topics you'd like us to cover on this channel. Don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to the Passport Chronicles, and hitting the bell icon to know when a new video is up. Hold tight to your passports and see you in the next episode.